Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna be talking about Korean sheet mask and how to use sheet mask. Sheet mask is basically fabric or paper or gel sheet which is shaped like face, and this sheet saturated with nutrition packed solution called serum. And the sheet masks are designed to be used once, and it's really simple to use. I'm using ginseng sheet mask and it's from Skinfood. It contains ginseng extract. My face is perfectly clean and toned and it's ready for use sheet mask. Open the packet, unfold the sheet mask and place it on face. Ginseng is considered as one of the most powerful revitalizing herbs in Korean traditional medicine. Ginseng extract moisturizes and nourishes aging skin to make it healthy and smooth. Leave this mask for 10 to 20 minutes. After 10 to 20 minutes, discard the sheet. Pat or gently massage. And there is no rinsing required. My face looked clear and glowing, but the scent was a bit uncomfortable. Guys, that's all for today. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.